Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we connect guys neckband earphone with our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to connect guys your phone neckband earphone. So how can you connect friends? How can you use guys your Infinix phone Bluetooth setting friends? Today friends we are going to talk about it. So friends now let's see how can we connect guys earphone. So friends we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone this type of setting. Friends, click on guys this more connection setting guys. Tap here. Friends, click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys. You can on from here. You can off from here. So guys, turn on your first of all earphones. So we will on it. After on guys on your phone Bluetooth setting from the right side guys. So we will refresh guys our Bluetooth setting. After refresh guys, you can see earphone name. So I will click on guys our phone earphone name. So you can see is connecting. I wait for a while. Friends, you can see notification right side. Tap here to connect. Friends, you can see guys earphone has connected guys. So guys now we can use guys this earphone while operating any app, listening song guys, watching cartoon guys. You can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone. Bye guys.